Video of my Aleko AC1400 just hooked up to my homemade gate, which is constructed out of a 3-inch tubular steel. It's about 6.5 feet high, about 18 feet long. These boards are tongue and groove pine that I've painted white, and the end posts are very large 6x6s that are anchored into about 3 to 4 feet of concrete. And the ground is largely asphalt, although it's a little bit weak in some places, and the gate is being suspended on 2 wheels. So you can see one here, and then there's another one on the other side, so that's to account for the fact that the terrain is uneven. There's a chain that drives, it hooks onto a clamp on either end here, and then you can adjust the chain length, and you can actually adjust the tightness, and it goes into a little gearbox on the motor. And then it comes out to the other side. As you can see in the distance, I've got a little track laid down there. That's just because, as you can see, there's dirt there, so it's not all entirely asphalt. The track's really only needed to get over the soft earth. I think once I get this repaved, I shouldn't need the track at all. On the top and bottom, I've also got some guide wheels, as you can see here. So those are right pressed up against the metal, and again on the top. And I also have these on the outside as well. So let's try and run this thing. So I'll step back here. So you got a little key fob here, and so you can set different durations, different distances, but basically I don't have the limit sensors installed yet, so let's just... Okay, I wanted to go that way. So there it's going. See, it's tugging along on the ground pretty nicely. Not too loud. And so I'm going to have to stop it here when it gets to the end, because I don't have the limit sensors installed yet. And there we go. So if we go around on the outside, there you can see more of my little wheels. I've also got a vertical here, so that just the two kind of stay in sync. And then you can also see the little track underneath there. This is actually just the top of a metal stud wall. I just found it at Home Depot for 12 bucks. It seemed cheaper than $3,000 worth of paving. I've gone that way as well. So now we'll close it from the outside. Just back up here so we can see it. Hit the button. I don't know what that noise was. My son likes to add chunks of metal to this process, so that's probably all that it was. And again, be prepared to stop it when it gets to the end. Perfect. So there it is. It's been doing this all day without any issues, so pretty pleased.